Hi everyone! I'm going to make today bread roll with dip. So we are going to start with the bread. And we have sesame seed here. And we are going to use a pinch of sugar, salt, egg white. And we are going to serve our egg yolk. And we have fast freezing yeast. So first we are going to our yeast raised. You're gonna need one cup of warm water. To make it perfect warm is I'm going to add 3/4 of hot water. I'm going to add the rest of cold water, and I'm using my hand to fill it. That's very hot, so add a little bit of water and add more cold water in it. Okay, that I can feel it, it's warm. So it's going to 10 Fahrenheit, the perfect to raise our yeast. That is good. So just make sure your hand is clean. And we're gonna put our 1 packet of yeast. Going to mix this. We have to dissolve our yeast. This is just so fast. And we're gonna put in the warm place because we started our dry ingredients. We have to add 3 cups of flour, that's 2 cups of flour. But of course we're gonna need a little bit of flour later to make our dough. So now we are going to add our salt and a pinch of sugar, our egg yolk. To add 1 tablespoon oil. I'm using peanut oil, but this is optional. Also, you can use vegetable shortening. And we are using also later for extra in our pan. Now we are going to mix it while we are waiting for our yeast to dissolve.
Now our yeast is dissolved already. We just go and pour in our pot. And then now I'm going to use my hand. It's a little bit stick together, but we can make this.
If you want to knead, you can do also in the surface, but I have to do this. But if you have a Now it's very soft already and it's not sticking or in. That means we can put it here already, so it's gonna raise. And if it's gonna be double the size, that it means it raised already enough. So I have to punch it. So now I'm just gonna put it here and then put a little bit of oil using the cup. Just coat it a little bit, not to make sure that it's not gonna stick in the pan. It's a clean wrap or plastic wrap to cover it, and you just let this raise for about 1 hour, and then if it's double size already, it's ready to put in the oven. Okay everybody, here we are. Our dough it's double now, so we just like punch it and look at punch in there. See, that's ours. You just have to cut this like that, and on the side we have to divide this.
So now I put wax paper in here. Okay, and we just roll this. Have to roll that one. And I'm gonna put it here. It's really easy to make and it's so fast. So some of you I know you are all gonna like it. In the Philippines, all the people likes bread. And very soon I'm gonna make pandesal, but now we are going to make our roll bread with some cheesy dip.
Okay, so we just have to put this like that, and then this side we're going to put our dips. So now we are, I'm gonna beat the egg yolk. You can use also egg white, but so instead to use a brush, I'm using the paper towel. That's up to you how you're gonna do it, right? You can use also oil to brush in your bread. And now we are going to use our sesame seed to put in the top. I roast this a little bit so you can put also even it's not raw sesame seed. Okay, for now, a little bit. We are going to make our dip, and I have half of the cream cheese, and we have here cheddar and I have here spinach. Then we are going to slice a little bit the spinach and put it in the mix. We're going to use a fork to mix this together. Make sure that your cream cheese is soft. And I'm gonna use garlic pepper seasoning a little bit. We just have to mix this really good. I'm going to add butter. Now I'm going to add a little bit of milk. Then we're going to transfer our vegetables with cheese in here. Then I have jack cheese here, and I'm just going to shred this on the top of it. You can use also mozzarella. That's a lot of cheese. Just there we are. Okay, everyone, I'm just now we are just going to bake this for 25 minutes. We're going to put in the oven, preheat the oven for 350 Fahrenheit, and then bake it 25 minutes. Okay guys, here we are, our bread roll with the dip. That has the spinach with cheddar cheese and pepper jack cheese. And here we go. It's a little bit hot from the oven. It's hot. So hope you like it, guys. This is our bread roll with spinach with cheese. So hope you like it, and bye.